Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see, friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing and most trending designs of crochet winter articles. Some are crochet hoodies, crochet gloves, scarves and crochet caps. So we were all of these designs are so stunning, so unique. I hope you all love these type of most amazing collection. Share this video with your family and sweet friends who want these type of most popular ideas. I really hope that they will love this amazing collection. You know guys, different peoples have different choices and they love different type of colors. So in this video you will see different colors, different themes and different decent and most amazing designs. Some are sets and some are single designs. So we were thank you for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's a most amazing collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet items. So if you all love this article and if you want more and more designs, so we will like my video, subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. When you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me. See you soon. Take care.